Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change Google Assistant to Gemini. Gemini is a part of Google. The assistant are the virtual assistant provided by Google. When you turn on the Google Assistant, it will showcase a small Google box like this. Now to change this Google Assistant to Gemini Assistant, you need to first make sure that you have Gemini application installed on your mobile phone. If not, then you can go to your Play Store and download your Gemini application. Then open your Gemini application. Now, after you open the Gemini application, here you can see Switch to Gemini from Google Assistant option. You can directly tap on Switch option on the down right corner. Now here you can see Review Key Info to access Gemini. Tap on I agree option. Then with that, now your Google Assistant will be switched to your Gemini Assistant. Now when I say hey Google, then here you can see that my Google Assistant has been changed to Gemini Assistant. Now if you have already installed your Gemini application but still you are not able to switch to Gemini Assistant, then you can open your settings on your mobile phone. Then here you need to look for Google option. Scroll down and then look for Google option. Then tap on Google option. After this, here you will be able to see your Google account. Now tap on All Services option on the right side. Then here scroll down and then tap on Settings for Google Apps option on the down. With this, now here you need to tap on Search, Assistant and Voice option on the last. After this, tap on Google Assistant option. Then here you need to scroll down. Then tap on Digital Assistants from Google option. Now here you need to make sure that you tap on Gemini option so that you'll be able to choose Gemini Assistant over Google Assistant. You need to make sure that there is a blue circle on the side of Gemini. With this, now you'll be able to change your Google Assistant to Gemini. This is how we can change Google Assistant to Gemini Assistant. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.